How to integrate Trivia Game plugin from LiveReacting into vMix. First, you access your Trivia game in the LiveReacting Studio and click on Settings. Connect your social account, scroll down a little and make a tick next to the plugin mode. Then you just copy the generated link and click Save. Now go to vMix, click on Add Input button at the bottom, choose Web Browser, and now you just paste the copied link in the first field, enter the size of the trivia layer, and just press OK. Now you must get a notification that your trivia is successfully connected. Make sure to launch your stream via vMix, go back to your project in the LiveReacting Studio and press Start to launch your trivia. Now go back to vMix again and you can see that the trivia game is successfully integrated in your stream.